Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to trim your videos for free in Windows 10. Maybe you filmed a video and the beginning is all wonky pointing at the ground and the end is all wonky and pointing at the sky, and you want to cut off the beginning and the end, or just the beginning or just the end. We're going to show you how to do that very easily today using free software in Windows 10, so check it out. Hey everyone, welcome to Northern Viking Everyday. If you're new here, my name is Ken, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today we're going to be showing you how to trim your videos for free using the Windows 10 video editor. Maybe you filmed a video and the beginning is all shaky or the end is all shaky, pointing at the sky or the ground, and you want to cut those out so you can maybe make a YouTube video or share it with your friends. We're going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So let's jump on over to my Windows 10 computer and show you how it's done. All right, so here we are on my Windows 10 computer. I've got the file that we want to be editing here on my computer. So make sure you do import your files to your computer before you do this. You can see the beginning of it was pointing at the ground and then it pointed up. So we want to chop that off. It's a pan of the park. And again, at the end, we want to chop it off because I point it back down at the ground when I'm hitting the stop record button. So that's the video clip we're going to be editing today. Let me close that there. So the software we're going to be using is totally free and included within Windows 10. It's part of the Photos app, and there's a video section in there. So to get to that app, you can go ahead and left click on your start menu and search through here until you find the Photos app. You can go ahead and left click on that. The way I like to get there is just type video editor here in the bottom in the search bar. And let's go ahead and open that up. And it's going to open up and look something like this. So if you open up through the Photos app, you're probably going to be on the Photos tab here at the top. If you open it up through Video Editor, you'll be on the Video Projects tab. Now, if you're not seeing the Video Projects tab, it's probably because you need to update your Photos app. When I did a fresh install of Windows on my computer, I had to update it in the Microsoft Store, and that was totally free to do. Now, once you're in here, what we need to do is go ahead and start a new project. So you can see down here, there's existing projects that I've been working on. And you can see there's a blue rectangle here that says new video projects. When I hover over it, it turns gray. Start a blank project, just left click on that. That's going to open up a new project for you. And you can name this whatever you like. I'm just going to call this one Trim Video and hit OK. If you don't want to put a name in there, you can go ahead and hit skip. We'll just hit OK. And now you've got this open. So what we need to do is go ahead and import our video clip into this project. There's a couple different ways to do that. You could hit add here and search for it on your computer. I like to just minimize this and drag my file in and just drop it. That's probably the quickest way to bring your files in. Now that you've got that in there, we need to drop it down into our storyboard here at the bottom. So if I drop it to the storyboard just like this, it's going to show up in the window where I can actually play through it. And you can see the beginning is pointing at the ground, and there's our video. And if I go to the end, of course, it's going to be pointing down at the ground again. Now, if it's the wrong aspect ratio here, maybe you filmed it vertical on your phone and you need it to look vertical rather than a 16:9, you can change that. Just go to the three dots in the top right-hand corner, and under 16:9 landscape here, you can go 4:3 if you're using that, or make portrait, which would be more of a vertical sort of screen here. So right now we're using 16:9, so I'm gonna just make landscape, but you can make adjustments to those settings there. Now let's go ahead and start trimming this. So make sure that you have your file selected here at the bottom. So there's a blue bar. You're gonna see an option right here that says trim. And if I go ahead and click on trim, it's gonna open up a trimmer for us. Now, when you hit play over here, again, it's gonna play through the whole video clip, but you've got these little handles here. So there's these blue little handles, and let me start playing this right there. So right now it's pointing at the ground, and right about there is maybe where I wanna start my video. So I can just move this blue handle over to that point and just let go. And you can see that the first part of the progress bar there is now gray. So that's not gonna be part of our video. I can go ahead and hit play again and watch through, and we can see where it starts to go down right about there. Whoop, let me pause it. So I'm going to move this back bar a little bit there. So now when I go ahead and hit play, it's only going to show me the portion with the beginning and the end removed. Perfect, exactly what I need. I've taken it out. So you can either take off the beginning or the end or both of them. From there, just go ahead and hit done. So now again, when we play our clip here in our timeline, it's only going to be the portion that we want rather than it pointing at the ground. So now that we've removed the beginning and the end, we need to go ahead and export our file. Really easy to do. Up here at the top, you're going to see Finish Video on the top right-hand corner. Just go ahead and click on that. You're going to be able to select your video quality. The options are 1080p, 720p, or 540p. I highly recommend going with the highest quality here, 1080p. Just hit export. It's going to ask you where you want that. You can rename it. I'm just going to put that on my desktop and I'm going to name it. I'm going to leave it actually as that, but trim video, we'll maybe add park to it so I know which one it is. We'll hit export here and it's going to start exporting that clip to us. And on my computer, it auto plays right there, and it's exactly how I need it without the beginning and the end. And it's that simple to trim your videos in Windows 10. So I hope this tutorial was able to help you out in trimming up your videos for free in Windows 10. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested, I have created a video on how to combine videos in Windows 10 for free. If you're interested in that video, I'll put a link below in the description. Make sure to connect with me on social media. You'll find all the links there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.